Hello everyone, today I am going to make the major scale super easy to understand and play using the idea of tones and semitones. If you have ever felt confused by scales, don't worry, this video is your shortcut. So, what is a major scale? A major scale is made up of 7 notes and follows this exact pattern: tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So, let's break that down. A tone means 2 frets on the guitar. A semitones means 1 fret. So if you start on a note and follow this pattern, you will build a major scale from any root note. Now, let's start with the C major scale, beginning from the 3rd fret of the A string. Now, play this with me slowly. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. You can follow this pattern: C to D tone, D to E tone, E to F semitone, F to G tone, G to A tone, A to B tone, and last B to C semitone. That is the major scale formula using tones and semitones in action. And it might come in your mind why you should learn major scales. The major scale is everywhere in music, in chords, melodies, solos, and songs you already love. Once you understand this one pattern, you'll start to hear it in your playing and recognize it in every music around you. And the best part, this shape can be moved anywhere. If you start this pattern on the 5th fret of your low E string, you are playing a A major. Move it to the 7th fret, that's the B major. It's the same pattern of tones and semitones, just with a different starting point. Here's how to make fast progress with major scales. Practice slowly with a metronome, focus on clean and even notes, say the note's name or even tone or semitone as you go, try ascending and descending, play every day, even 5 minutes makes a difference. Once you have got the scales on your fingers, try using it to write melodies, improvise over your backing tracks, understand how chords are built different, and connect different parts of the fretboard. Scales are not just for theory, they are for creating music. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for the more update. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep strumming. Thanks for watching.